The DeWalt Flexvolt 60-volt max string trimmer features a powerful and efficient brushless motor delivering gas performance up to 6,600 RPM. Boasting a 15-inch cut swath, it covers a large area in one pass and uses DeWalt .080-inch or .095-inch line. For full speed control, this string trimmer has a variable speed trigger with high setting for added power or low setting for extended runtime. DeWalt Flexvolt batteries automatically change voltage when you change tools, working with 20-volt max tools and chargers and providing longer runtime when used with 20-volt max tools. Take out tough overgrowth without the gas fumes, loud engines, start issues, or maintenance involved with using gas-powered equipment. DeWalt Flexvolt. Power without gas.